Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will be discussing with our another question from array, that is left rotate an array by k places. So here in this video, I will be discussing two approaches for that. In the first approach would be the same what you had done in my previous video. If you have not watched my previous video, in the previous video I have explained you how you will left rotate an array by one place, and uh, so if first I would recommend you to please revisit to that video, understand that logic, and then come over here. So it would be simpler for you to understand. So how you will do that is you will approach one says that you will simply run a loop. So the k value will be given to you by the user. So let's suppose we have been given k as 2. So what you will do? You will run a loop from 0 to k, and you will call left rotate function 1, okay, k times. So if you have been given array like this 1 2 3 4 5, your output should look like this: 5 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 if your k value is 2, because what it had done is it has moved this over here, this move over here, this move over, this will move over here, and this will move over here. Okay, so this is basically a brute force approach, and its time complexity is big of n square. Let's go to Visual Studio Code and check how you will write this code. So as I said, run a loop from 0 to k and left rotate it by k 1 k times, and let's see whether it will work or not. So I had taken the input from the user. Original array will print over here, and after rotated, it will print the array. Okay, k times after rotation. 5 are the elements: 1 2 3 4 5. I want 2. So as you can see, we have got our output 3 4 5 and 2. Let's run it for another test case. 1 2 3 4 5. Suppose 3 elements I want to rotate. So as you can see, 3 4 5 1 2 3. So it's the correct output. So this was our first approach, brute force approach. Now let's discuss our efficient approach. In the efficient approach, what we will do is, if you know how to reverse an array, then it would be easier for you to understand. So if you don't know, I would recommend you to first know how to reverse an array. I will tell you how you will reverse an array. What you will do, this is your array, suppose, and it contains the value 1 2 3 4 and 5. What you will do, you will set a low pointer over here, high pointer over here, and what you will do, you will swap these two and update your low to low plus plus and high to high minus minus, and how up to how much you will increment and decrement while my low is less than or equal to high. So this is how you will reverse an array. So what you will do, if you have been so in the efficient logic, what you will do, you will be having given an array like this. What you will do, you will set your low over here, high over here, and the k value is 2. What you will do, you will first reverse an array from 0 to k minus 1, then you will reverse an array from k plus 1 to n, and then it's not k plus 1, but it basically indicates k, which basically is 2. So it's 2 plus 1. Okay, so it's k to n, and then you will reverse the entire array. Okay, so this is our pseudocode, or you may think this is our algorithm. Assume it as our algorithm. So reverse 0 to k minus 1, k plus 1 till n, and reverse the entire array. Let's see how it works. So this is my array. What I will do, I will first reverse 0 to k minus 1. So I had done 0 to 1, I had reversed 2 and 1. Then what I did, I will reverse from 2 to 4. So this is our 2 to 4. And then I will reverse the entire array 3 4 5 and 2. So this was our output that we were getting over here also: 3 4 5 and 2. So the code is over here. Let me comment this out. So what I had done is I had created one function for reversing an array, and this is our logic. And then what I had done is reverse from 0 to k minus 1, k till n minus 1, and 0 to n minus 1. Let's see whether it works or not. 5 elements are there. Sorry, it's a read in our program. 5 elements are there. I want 5 elements: 1 2 3 4 5, and I want to swap it by rotate it by 2 positions. So as you can see, we have got our output. So this was a simple code. So if you have understood it clearly, please like, share, and subscribe to my video, and also to my YouTube channel. It would be really helpful for you guys and also for me for creating more such content. And yes, keep learning and keep supporting. Thank you.